Yes. And this one here is the damsel. Good for bathing. Yeah, you can use this to bath. Yes, man, for our mother used to use this and rub up in the water and bathe with it when we are rashes. So, yes, man, this one
So
is.
this is great for skin for babies with rash.
Yeah.
How you prepare this one?
You rub it off. Take your hand, you get a little water, put it in the water and you rub it till it's soddy. And you put it in the water and leave it overnight. Cross a 10 overheat. And in the morning you get up. When it cool off, you strip him off, bathe him from his head to his foot, carry him inside, don't dry him off.
Yeah,
just
don't dry him off.
And let it dry.
So babies in general, or little infants, if they start having breakouts, this damsel bush, bring them to Jamaica and deal with some damsel bush.
When you rub it up, it's sod, you know, it's sod like soap, you know, this bush here.
And you use a little Dettol or something in it, a little bit, not to hurt the baby's skin.